But the good thing about technology nowadays, it's available. All we have to do is to tap it and use it for public service. Whether economic growth, safety ng tao, saka yung isa dyan, medyo kakabahan yung mga kriminal sa Maynila. Kasi in a good day, we can just fly the drone and randomly inspect population. With the facial recognition technology, baka makita namin yung mga naisala o gumawa ng masama sa kapwa at patuloy na nakikihalubilo sa normal na komunidad. In a given day, pag nadaan na sila ng drone at nakilala sila ng sistema, we can inform the police that this Juan de la Cruz, suspect of a murder, is walking around Top Avenue or maybe outside of a school. We can alert and help the Manila Police District and other enforcement agency.